In this video, we'll show you how to convert between radian and degree measure for angles that are given to us. First example is to express this angle in radian measure, and the angle is 30 degrees. So one thing I could do is I could visualize this circle. I could visualize that 30 degrees is 1/6 of the way to pi, so I know that 30 degrees is going to be pi over 6. There's also a computational way to arrive at this answer using dimensional analysis. If we start with our 30 degrees and we multiply by our conversion factor, we know that in pi radians there's 180 degrees. If I have the degree on the denominator, it would cancel out with the degree that was given. Now I can cross cancel. Let's divide both of these by 30. And so when I multiply across, I do get pi over 6 radians. We'll do another example. 240 degrees to convert this to radian measure. I could start with my 240 and just multiply it by my conversion factor of pi over 180. It's always a good idea to cross cancel if you can. I can see that I can divide both 240 and 180 by 60. This makes my numbers much smaller, especially when I don't have access to a calculator. Now I multiply across and I get 4 pi over 3. Radians is the same thing as 240 degrees. In the next example, we're going to give you radians, and we're asking you to find the degree measure. So remembering that we just talked about sixths, and we know that these are each going to be 30 degrees. Well, 7 pi over 6 is 30 degrees away from 180 in essence. So we could simply add 180 plus 30 to get 210. So that's if you're visualizing that unit circle. But you could also take your 7 pi over 6. We could multiply it by a conversion factor. This time you want pi in the denominator to cancel out. We're going to cross cancel between the 6 and the 180. Let's divide both numbers by 6. Let's cancel out our pi's. Let's multiply straight across and we get 210 degrees.